Hello, we are Team Next Gen Minds, and our problem statement is development of a versatile and fast algorithm for the optimal ship routing. Samudrapath is a cutting edge solution for the challenges faced by modern maritime transport. By integrating real time data, machine learning algorithms, the system offers dynamic adaptive ship routing that ensures safety, fuel efficiency, and shortage voyage times. Its ability to adjust routes in response to changing conditions makes it a valuable tool for navigating complex maritime environments. Now, let me walk you through the prototype of our ship routing dashboard. Once logged into our website, you will see the dashboard. Dashboard with a map at the center. This map will display the optimal route for the voyage. The optimal route is calculated using a hybrid optimization approach, combining the genetic algorithm for exploring multiple potential routes and the A-star algorithm for refining the route based on real-time condition. This operates on a grid-based model to efficiently map maritime routes. On the left-hand side, there is a section where the user, typically the captain, can input route details like the starting point and the destination along with intermediate stops. Multiple intermediate stops can be added as needed. After that, the captain enters the ship details and then they can click on the calculate optimal route. The system calculates the route considering the factors like fuel efficiency, time, safety, and piracy zones. The algorithm ensures that the route avoids landmasses and high-risk piracy zones. By default, the dashboard provides an optimal route that balances all these factors. However, if the captain wants to prioritize a specific factor like fuel efficiency or it can be travel time or safety, they can adjust this in the route optimization settings and the map will update accordingly. Now, below the map, you find a detailed route information, including the real-time data on fuel efficiency, time efficiency, and many more. On the right-hand side, weather data is displayed, which is extracted from real-time sources to give the most up-to-date condition. Now, below the weather information, there is route summary. Currently, we are working on the dummy data, but once full operational, the route summary will continuously update until the ship reaches the destination. Now, the route summary gives the detailed information about the route from the start location to the complete voyage till the ship reaches destination. On the left, there is also a voyage information. This section provides detailed analysis like average speed, load condition speed, total distance, and many more things. The system, if the weather now there is one feature which is added is when the weather conditions are extreme, like if they change very drastically, the captain can manually adjust the route by specifying waypoints or the key locations they need to pass through. The system will compare the captain's route with the default optimized route, showing exact percentage differences and offering recommendations for adjustment. It may take some time, but the route which is being provided by the dashboard is easy to understand by the captain and also beneficial in extreme weather conditions. Now, in this way, coming back to the dashboard, this is the complete design which you see. And also, we have the customized option. So, this way, the dashboard helps balance the captain's preferences with the system's optimal route, ensuring fuel efficiency, safety, and other important factors which are taken into account for every voyage. Thank you so much.